Alright, hello guys. Today I'm going to be touching upon the sun video that I did previously. Basically talked about, first of all, how the sun was formed, what processes go on within the sun. So today I'm just going to be doing a little review for you, for chemistry, and it's going to be a little bit of a review for me because I'm supposed to be studying. Alright, so the main thing I want to talk about is the scientists that we've learned in the chemistry unit so far. So there's John Dalton, there's J.J. Thomson, there's Ernest Rutherford, and Niels Bohr. There's obviously more, but I can't recall. Okay, so John Dalton was the scientist who he was looking at there was Democritus, I forgot that guy, or Aristotle. Aristotle mainly thought that matter was composed of wind, air, earth, and water and stuff like that, but today we obviously know that's not true. Matter is made up of atoms. Okay, so John Dalton looked at the atom and he's like, So he creates this weird ass model called the billiard ball model. Billiard ball. Anyways, the billiard ball model. Okay, there was some points that he stated. I don't think I can recall all of them, but the first point that he stated was all matter is made up of atoms. Seems simple enough. He also stated that atoms can like sort of bond or something or combine with each other to form new atoms or compounds or whatever the hell those are. And compounds or atoms of the same elements or something like that have similar properties. And atoms of different elements have different properties. Seem legit, right? So yeah. That's all I can remember. So, okay, now moving on to J.J. Thomson. He's the dude. He's like, I'm gonna observe this thing, and then he finds the electron. He uses this crazy ass contraption to like shoot shit through this contraption. Then he finds the electron. He was also, I think, the guy that worked with Ernest Rutherford. J.J. Thomson created the model. It's like something called the plum pudding model. I'm pretty sure it's not in a textbook, but it's called the plum pudding model. You know, it's the circle and then there's the red dots in it. I'm recalling everything from the textbook that I know. Then the Ernest Rutherford guy comes and he's going to keep observing this atom. He conducts this experiment where he shoots these particles or something through gold foil. What he expected was that the particles would go right through the gold foil, but some of those particles bounced off, and then from that he derived that there was the nucleus, the positively charged nucleus that was, repelling those particles. So, okay, I'm not looking at the camera now. So, he said that so the nucleus is about 1/10,000th the size of the atom, so that would be about the size of an ant in a football field. Pretty cool shit, okay. So, last scientist dude that I wanted to talk about is Niels Bohr. Now, he's the guy that proposed that atoms had, the electrons that J.J. Thomson found. He found out that, or he stated that these electrons orbited in specific energy levels, or just energy levels, and that's where the Niels Bohr model comes from. Now, right there, you can see the model of a helium atom, or a Niels Bohr helium atom. Niels Bohr model of the helium atom. So that seems pretty legit. So yeah, I'm pretty bored right now. I should go study.